Okay, so solve this question. Okay, do this one. If a squared minus 5a plus 1 is equal to 0, a is not equal to 0, firstly find a plus 1 upon a. 4 minutes to solve this. Ananya, that's incorrect. Take your answer again. Aki, that is correct. Sara, that's correct. Ishan, that's correct. Rest of you hurry up. Last 1 minute, rest of you. What happened, everyone? Ananya, did you figure out where you went wrong? Aryan? Rajvi?
No, sir, I'm not able to solve the problem.
Okay. Raise your hand in case you're not able to. Keep your videos on, everyone. Why are videos off today? Okay, Ananya, let's solve this. So we have to somehow find a plus 1 upon a given a squared minus 5a plus 1 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
So can I, let's start off with a squared minus 5a plus 1. I can rewrite this as a squared minus 5a is equal to
-1.
minus 1.
Yes.
Let's leave this for now. Or what I can do is, now since I need a plus 1 upon a, right? So what if I
Yes.
divide both sides by a? What if I divide this with a and I also divide this with a? Aryan, is this understood? What will it become? So it will become
Okay.
squared by a minus 5a by a plus 1 upon a by is equal to 0 because 0 upon a is 0. Right? 0 divided by anything is 0, isn't it? So what will I get? I'll get a minus 5 plus 1 upon a is equal to 0.
Yes.
So I get a plus 1 upon a is equal to, I can transpose it to the other side, so I get 5. So what is our answer? A plus 1 upon
5.
5, right? So all was required was to divide both the sides, left hand side as well as the right hand side by a and solve this further. Aryan, understood? Okay. Second part
Yes,
of
sir.
the second part of the question, find out a squared plus 1 upon a squared. Quickly. Ishan, that's correct. Paki, that's correct. Come on, rest of the easy. Easy one. We already done this yesterday. 1 minute, everyone. Not more than that. Sarah, no, that's wrong. Same plus minus mistake, Sarah. Do it properly. Aryan, no, that's incorrect. Sarah, let's solve this question. So we know that a squared plus 1 upon a squared is equal to
A square plus 1 upon a square plus 2.
minus 2,
Yes.
right? So we know that a squared plus 1 upon a squared is nothing but a plus 1 upon a, the whole thing squared minus 2, right? So what is a plus 1 upon a, the whole thing squared?
That will be 5 square.
Which is 25 minus 2, which is?
23.
Right? So how did you get 27? Why did you do a plus 2?
Because, sir, I did a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2.
Why?
Uh,
Remember we did this? A plus 1 upon a we have is equal to 5. We square this, then we get a squared plus 1 upon a squared plus 2 is equal to 25. Remember we get this?
yes.
If you forget the formula, do it this way. Okay, so what you do is whatever we know already, right? In this case, we know this is equal to 5. Do this, square both the sides and expand. So you automatically, when you transfer this, you get a minus. So there is very limited chances of making a mistake there. Okay, do it this way also. This is also perfectly fine. You don't need to remember the formula because it may happen that plus minus you make a mistake there. So you can even always do it this way. It's the same way. If we have a minus 1 upon a, the whole thing squared is equal to some number, let's say 2. Okay, so you can do the same thing, square both sides and solve it further. Right? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Forgot the 2 again, Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Also, you were doing the same mistake. Okay, pay attention to where your mistakes are lying. Okay, let's solve a few more questions. Okay, evaluate using identities. 105 into 95. Use identities to evaluate this and send me your answer. Ananya, that's correct. Go on to the second one, Ananya. Rest of you, hurry up. Come on, it's an easy question. Aryan, that's correct. Vishwa, that's correct. Ishan, that's correct. Go on to the second one. Use identities, okay? Don't do direct calculation. That'll be wrong. You won't get marks. Ishan, the second one is wrong. Aryan, the second one is wrong. Sorry, one sec. Ishan, that's correct. Sarah, the first one is correct. Aryan, the second one is wrong. Check your working. Vishwa, which one is this? Second one, that's incorrect. Last 1 minute, everyone. Sarah, that's correct. Paki, which one is this? First or the second? Please write the question number in front of the answer. The first, that's wrong. Paki, let's solve this.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what do we write this as?
100 plus 5
Yeah,
into 100 minus 5.
okay. Which is equal to?
100 square minus 5 square.
Yeah, you're correct so far. Which is equal to?
10000
Yeah,
minus 25.
which is?
Oh, sorry.
What is the answer? 9975?
One,
Wow, how
yeah.
can it be 1? 10,000 minus 25 will be less than 10,000, right?
yeah.
Take a 1. Say 10,000. Don't we have the habit of writing 1? Say 10,000. It becomes easy for you to
Okay.
know. Anything less than 10,000 will be 9,000 something, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to write 9,000 only in the first digit there.
Yes.
Okay. Ananya, let's do the second one.
So 100 minus 4 multiplied by 100 minus 4.
100 minus 4 multiplied by 100 minus 4. Okay.
So
What is this equal to? This is 100 minus 4 the whole square,
100 square. Huh?
right?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So now we have a minus b the whole thing square. The formula. So what do we get?
Yes. 100 square
Minus
minus 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 4 plus 4 square, which is 1000 or 10,000 minus 800 plus 16, which will be 9. Okay.
9
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So these are all identities which we have learned, applying it in different ways. Anyone has a doubt here? Okay, let's go on to another question. a very simple one. I want you to solve this within a minute. Find a squared plus b squared if a plus b is 7 and ab is 12. Quickly. Quickly, everyone, a very simple question. Ishan, that's correct. Rest of you, what happened? Aryan, let's solve this. Tell me, Aryan, what do we do?
Uh, I didn't get this.
You didn't get this? What's the relationship between a plus b and a squared plus b squared? How do I, from a plus b, how do I reach a squared plus b squared?
A plus c the whole
So the
whole
square,
thing square.
a squared and b squared. So if I square this, will I get a squared plus b squared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Okay, so a plus b the whole thing square is equals to 7 the whole thing square. So,
Oh, we need to expand the fit. Aryan, we always expand the left hand side and the right hand side. So first step is write down what we know. Okay, this is what we wrote down. We know already
okay,
that a plus b is equal to 7. Okay, so this is what we write down in the first
okay,
step.
sir.
Now what we do is we square the left hand side and the right hand side and expand this. So what is the expansion of a plus b?
Okay, sir. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to 49.
Okay. Now what is the value of AB? Paki, that's correct.
ab is equals to 2. So a square plus
Not equal to 2 AB.
2 into 2.
12.
Sorry, it's 12. Yeah, 12. 12 into 2, that is 24. So a square plus 24 plus b square is equals to 49.
So what is A squared plus B
So
squared?
a square plus b square is equals to 49 upon 24. Sorry, 49 minus 24.
Okay, which is
So 25.
okay. Did you get this now? How to solve this? Very
Yes, sir.
straightforward question.
Okay, sir.
Do this one, everyone. Ah. Okay. We have done a similar question earlier. Quickly solve this. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 4, find out x squared plus 1 upon x squared. should be able to do this mentally by now. So Ramya, start solving. Come on, these are basic questions. We've done this earlier also. Sorry, this is 1 upon x square, okay? I don't know why I removed that. Baki, that's correct. Ishan, that's correct. Ananya, that's correct. Rest of you, hurry up. Rest. Ishan, Ananya, Paki, go on to the second question. The second part of this. X4 plus 1 upon x4. Sarah, that's wrong. Sarah, check your calculations. Again and again, you're making the same calculation errors. Plus minus, you're making the same mistake again and again, Sarah. Aryan, that is correct. Go on to the second. Sarah, it's correct now. Vishwa, that's correct. Sarah, you're realizing your mistake, the plus minus mistake that you're doing. Be careful about that, okay? Go step by step, it doesn't matter. It will take you maximum 10 seconds more. Go step by step if you're still not sure about your answers. Ananya, that's correct. Second part, everyone. Baki, that's correct. Ishan, that's correct. Aryan, what happened? Quickly solve it.
Yes, sir.
Sarah, the second one is wrong. Aryan, let's do the first one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same steps. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So x plus 1 upon x, the whole thing
Yeah.
square is equals to 4 the whole thing square. So
Yeah.
x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x, the whole thing square is equals to 16. So
Yeah.
x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square is equals to 16. So x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to 16 minus 2, that is 14.
Okay, correct. Sarah, let's do the second one. Aryan, the second answer is wrong. Sarah, let's do the second question. The second one is wrong. So what do? We do again x squared plus 1 upon x squared. The whole thing.
Square. So it will be x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4, which will be 190 plus 2, which will be 196. So if 190 so x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4 is equal to 194.
Vishwa, is this clear? Aryan, clear? Again, did you forget the two, Aryan?
Yes, yes.
Keep forgetting it again. Third or fourth time you're doing that. Take care. Okay. Remember that there is a.
Yes, sir.
Or if you aren't, if you're still mistaken, you can even do it this way. So when we are solving this, you can do x squared plus 1 upon x squared plus 2 into x into 1 upon x. Do the entire format.
Okay, sir.
XX is
Okay, sir.
okay. Do it like this till you get the habit
Okay,
of
sir.
writing two. Any doubts, anyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, one last one. If x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3x, find x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared. Solve this. Solve this quickly. If x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3x, find the value of x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared. Ishan, that's incorrect. X minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3x. Find out x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared. Two minutes, everyone. Ananya, that's incorrect. Kaki, that's incorrect. What happened, all of you all? Last 1 minute. Okay, Ishan, let's solve this. So what
Yes, sir. So x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3x. So x minus 1 upon 3x is equal to 3.
okay?
So we will square both the sides. So x minus 1 upon 3x whole square is equal to 3 whole square.
Yeah.
So x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon 9x square minus 2 is equal to 9.
Y minus 2 into x into 1 upon 3x. Where did this go?
Yeah.
Remember, I told you previously, this is 2 is only applicable if we have x minus 1 upon x or x plus minus 1 upon x. These two values have to be the same. If x and 3x are different, then we need to multiply with the second part, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what does this become? Equal to 9. Then
2 upon 3. Yeah. So x square plus
so x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared will be equal to
9 plus 2 upon 3.
which is
27 plus 2 upon 3.
which is
So 29 upon 3.
right. That's the final answer. Okay. Always remember, if the x minus 1 upon 3x, x and x is not there, you need to solve it in this way. Don't forget this part. Yes, Vishwa, you have a doubt?
Yes, so can you explain this sum once again, please?
Okay. So we started with what we have, x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3x. Is clear here? Vishwa, keep yourself unmuted.
Yes.
Okay, then we took this to the other side and we took this to the other side. So we have x minus 1 upon 3x is equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we square both the sides. Squaring this, we get x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared minus 2 into x into 1 upon 3x, because it's minus 2ab, right? Is equal to 9.
So y minus, yes, yes, sir.
A minus b, the whole thing squared is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, right?
Yes, clear.
So then x and x gets cancelled. So we're left with minus 2 by 3. So we're left with x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared minus 2 by 3 is equal to 9. We transpose this
Yes, sir.
side, so we get x squared plus 1 upon 9x squared is equal to 9 plus 2 by 3. And we just solve the fraction. 9 plus 2 by 3 is 29 by 3.
Okay.
Okay. So this are a few very common mistakes that you all are doing. One is that you forget the 2. Aryan, you've been doing it again and again. Remember that there is a 2 if the x and 1 upon x is there, or a and 1 upon a is there. If we have different numbers, if we have a and 1 upon 2a, 1 upon 3a, whatever it might be, or 1 upon b, please remember to multiply with minus or plus minus 2ab. Okay, remember that. Otherwise, your answers will go wrong. This is a very common part in which we forget this step. It's very common to forget this. Paki, how did you get 83?
Sir, I did a very silly mistake.
8199, 9 squared.
No, sir, in the start only I took 3 cube. I don't know why, but
Okay,
we have to square the sides. Why?
that's good.
Just took 3.
Fine. Any doubts, anyone? Okay, we will be moving on with this chapter on Monday. For homework, exercise 4a, the complete home exercise. 16 sums are there. You have the entire weekend to do that. Okay. Please complete this, because we are getting into the expansions of higher forms plus minus cube now, tomorrow on Monday. So we are done with squares, we're done with those identities. So we're now going into further expansions of cubes. So for homework, finish exercise 4A and upload it on the portal. Fine, that's it for today. I'll see you all again on Monday now. Bye everyone.